So if you're looking for a way to make passive income with affiliate marketing but don't really know where to start or what niche to get into, this video is for you because I'm going to share this one niche and strategy that I have personally tested and have seen quite a bit of success in. And I'm talking my affiliate commission went from looking like this more to like this over the course of the year. Okay, you ready? The niche is software and online tools reviews. I know you're probably wondering, Christina, but that's so boring. Nobody's gonna watch those videos. But let me tell you why this niche is actually really great. So first of all, software reviews are highly profitable. And I'm talking most software platforms have a pretty high affiliate commission. I believe most tools that I have worked with or been an affiliate with have a commission rate of between 15 to 30%. And some of them even go up to 50 depending on the program. Which if you compare to, for example, Amazon Associates program, where most purchases only make you between like 3 to 10%, 10% being on the higher end, that is actually quite a bit of a difference. Next, there's always going to be strong demand because most people tend to research different type of software before they purchase it. Next, a lot of software platforms have a recurring commission structure, which means that you don't just get a commission the first time a user signs up for it, but oftentimes you will get commission every single month as they renew in their subscription, which is pretty cool and is a way for you to earn commission long term. And with that said, let's go over step by step on how to create your very first video software review, because the technical part of it is actually not as difficult as what it used to be. In today's video, I'm going to be using Democreator, which is a really great screen recording tool that will make this process way easier. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to hit that like button to support this small channel and also follow me on Instagram because I would love to be friends. But let's talk about step number one. So first of all, let's pick high-paying software review. So one of my favorite strategies, especially when I'm already thinking about particular software, like I always try to research what are some of the tools that I use on a daily basis that have high affiliate commission. You can just Google that information. And then finally, another strategy is if you are a part of any type of affiliate network, like let's for example say PartnerStack or Impact.com, you can also search specific tools and see what the affiliate commission looks like. And that way you can make sure that you're not wasting your time on something that is just never going to pay you. With that said, let's talk about step number two, which is creating your actual software review. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you a real example of a software that I recently reviewed, which is Filmora by Wondershare. It is a video editing tool that I have used recently and really wanted to create a review about. Now, as I mentioned, I'm going to be using Democreator today, which is a really great tool that you can utilize to record your screen, do editing, do voiceovers, and then do both a webcam and a screen recording at the same time, which is something that I always wanted to do because I feel like having your face in the corner just always makes the video look way more engaging. To start off, we're going to go to the main menu and hit Video Recorder. Then you have multiple options. We can do screen and camera, audio only, or you can record from your iOS device, which is actually a new feature. Now in this example, I decided to go with screen and camera to make it more interactive. I'm going to pull up this software that I'm trying to review, which in this case is once again Filmora. As you can probably tell, there's also a purple outline on the screen, which allows you to select which part of the screen you want to record, which is perfect if you are like me and you have a very messy screen with like a million different tabs. This feature makes it definitely way more convenient. You also have an option to have a video of yourself at the bottom if you want to narrate, or if you just want to do a voiceover, you also have the option to turn it off. And whenever you're ready, you can just press the record button at the bottom and let the show begin. So what I like about this tool is all the different AI features which can really expedite your video editing process. Now let's move on to editing. The really cool part about Democreator is that it has a built-in editor. And I'm not just talking about some basic stuff, it is actually pretty advanced. You can access it either right after you finish recording, or you can just upload the footage later to edit as well. Now, what I really like about Democreator's editor is that it separates your footage into 3 different parts: the screen recording, your camera recording, as well as audio, so that you can edit and adjust each part as you see fit. There are also plenty of effects that we can use, such as annotations, video effects, audio effects, cursor effects, pan and zoom, and a lot of other ones that we can go over in just a little bit. So let's start with the Smart Zoom, which you can find under the Effects tab. Pretty much this feature allows you to zoom in on the exact part of the screen / the feature that you are talking about during your presentation. Like in this case, I was talking about the transform function. Now, just a quick heads up, just like with any AI tools, it's not perfect and sometimes you might need to make a few adjustments. Next is AI beauty filters, which is one of my favorite functions because sometimes I don't always look my best, but I do have to film, so these can be very helpful. Pretty much with these AI beauty filters, we could do anything from adjusting our skin tone, slimming down our face, smoothing our skin. You can literally see my face changing on the screen on the left here. So pretty much a lot of different things that we can do to look our best and feel more confident on camera. Now let's talk about the AI object remover function, which can be great if you ever forget to close something on the screen, or actually in my case, I'm not always good at controlling my facial expression, so I kind of look silly in this shot right here. So I actually wanted to remove my face completely from this shot, and instead of having to like awkwardly crop this video, I was actually able to use the AI object remover and just completely remove my face from this corner, and I actually think it came out pretty natural. I don't think most people would have noticed unless I told them. So this can be a pretty handy function so that you don't have to refilm the same shot all over again. And now once you're ready, you can start exporting your video. Democreator gives you so many different options in terms of the format, ratio. You can adjust it for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and so on and so forth, which will save you a lot of time. Democreator is actually currently partnering with me in this video, so if you're interested in checking them out, make sure to use my link down below. Alright, now that you're done with the production process, let's move on to the next step, which is optimizing your videos for search and SEO. Pretty much you want to make sure that your videos actually get discovered, so make sure to pick searchable titles such as Filmora Honest Review or Filmora Beginner Tutorial or something along those lines. Now the fourth and final step is let's start promoting your videos. You can start with your personal social media. I also recommend posting your videos in relevant Facebook groups and communities and things like that, and asking your friends to share. So yeah, pretty much all the standard ways to promote your videos. And by the way, if you want to make passive income but you're not 100% sure about software reviews or affiliate marketing videos, you can also start making online courses if you want to do more advanced tutorials. I actually filmed an entire video going over how you can do that, so make sure to check it out right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!